We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the scanner glass on an HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. So the first thing you want to do is get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You want to go ahead and put your glass cleaner on your cloth, lift up your ADF right here, and then you want to go ahead and gently clean the glass. You don't want to press too hard and scratch it, and you never want to put the cleaner straight onto the glass because then you could cause some issues. So go ahead and clean your glass. And then sometimes you will see like pen marks or even some whiteout. You might need to clean it more than once. If you are using the top part to scan or copy and you're seeing defects, go ahead and clean this little strip right here. This is the scanner for your ADF. Go ahead and clean that. Make sure you do it gently. If you're still seeing defects, you may need to bring your printer in for a service. If you're in need of a supply or of supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.